థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మీడియా వాళ్ళకి, పెద్ద వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ కమింగ్ హియర్ టుడే. వాట్ అ పర్ఫెక్ట్ డే టు లాంచ్ అవర్ ట్రైలర్. జై శ్రీరామ్. ఈ షో స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు నేను మిస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, ఇప్పుడు మిస్సెస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయిపోయాను. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ ట్రాన్సిషన్. అండ్ ఈ స్టోరీ నాకు వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను యూనో ఆ ముందే చాలా వేరేగా మూవీస్ షో చేశాను. అన్నీ చాలా very physically and mentally consuming, and it demanded a lot of my physical effort and mental effort. కానీ ఆ స్టోరీస్లో ఈ స్టోరీ it was like a wave of fresh air. I was like, thank you God for this, because naku it was like a fresh air for me. And we చాలా మంది పర్ఫెక్షనిస్ట్ ఉన్నారు మన టీంలో. టు స్టార్ట్ విత్ సుప్రియ గారు. షీ నేను అండ్ సుప్రియ గారు మనకి చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుంచి పరిచయం. అండ్ I have always admired her. I think she is one of the most inspiring ladies in our industry. So from that time only, I've always looked up to her. So it was lovely working with her again after Sogara Chinnanayana. Adi pedda hit ayindi. I hope this also becomes a super hit. And Hotstar, our producers, Mr. Kuti, I'm like a loyal fan, Hotstar fan, and I watch everything. Congratulations for 12th Fail. It's a fabulous movie. I loved it. I think it's a movie of the year. So it was lovely to connect with Hotstar on a personal level, and lovely working with you guys. And then comes our perfectionist, Mr. Vishwak Garu, who's looking into his phone. విశ్వక్తో పని చేయటం చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. అండ్ విశ్వక్తో యాక్చువల్లీ డైలాగ్ సరిగా చెప్పలేకపోతే హీ విల్ మేక్ యూ డూ దట్ టేక్, మళ్ళీ టేక్ చేయాలి చెప్తారు. ఐ రియలీ లైక్ దట్ అబౌట్ హిమ్ అంటిల్ 6 PM. ఆ తర్వాత ఐ ఫెల్ట్ ఓకే ఎనఫ్, కొంచెం ఇబ్బందిగా అనిపించింది. But on a serious note, I absolutely loved working with him. నేను చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాను. And తన taking in every shot, and తన mindset when he's before the shot, and తన effort ప్రతి scene లో నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది. I learned a lot from him, and thank you so much for that. Your writing is absolutely amazing as well. The impromptu, what do you call that? The impromptu were really good, and that made me a better actor, I would say. And our writers, Shruti and Francis, you both are a fantastic duo. You're married, that's fab. And you both agree upon to the same scenes. That's amazing. I'll take that tip from your wedding, actually, to be on the same page. Amazing writing. When I'll say it in English, when I was reading your script, I was like, this is fantastic writing, and I had a smile all throughout. And I just felt it was very smart and intelligent writing. So thank you so much for that. And Adeep, for bringing me this story. Thank you so much, and for narrating me. I don't know why you are nervous. Look at his face. I call myself a Labrador because I think I'm really sweet. And our DOP, Aditya, you are so good. And after the teaser చూసినప్పుడు నాకు, I was like, that's very important to me. ఒక మంచి DOP దొరికితే, nothing like that. Because first, visual treat is just seeing something, and you made it really look beautiful. So thank you so much for that. And our actors, starting with Abhijit, Mr. Life is beautiful, Abhijit is beautiful. He is amazing. I think he really undermines himself. అప్పుడు if you tell him నువ్వు చాలా బాగా చేసావు, అవునా నేను బాగానే చేసానా అలా చెప్తారు. But you're fabulous. You're a natural actor, and it was really nice working with you. You are a cool star, I would say. And Abhignya, you are a fabulous actress. And నిజంగా నేను కూడా అది స్క్రిప్ట్ రీడ్ చేసినప్పుడు I was like, whosoever plays this character have to be a fantastic actress. And thank you, Vishwa, Ken, Supriya, for finding her. She's amazing. Or you found them, I don't know. It just worked. And my two actors that I really admire, Jhansi Garu and Harsha Garu. I worked with Jhansi Garu చాలా సారి work చేశాను, and always I just love her whole persona and her her personality and the confidence. So just love you for that. And Harsha Garu kuda he also తను రాలేదు, he's not there. కానీ I told him the first day నేను కలిసినప్పుడు చెప్పాను నేను పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ని. I've always liked his work. So just I hope you see this and you get the message. And Roshan, amazing actor, really, and he just lights up the whole screen, and it's just nice, so lovely to see him on screen. And Salarlo kuda baga chesaru. And Jhansi garu, idariki congratulations. And Mahesh, Sir Keshav Garu, Meeru kuda. It was lovely working with you. You are both are very good actors. And Keshav Garu to chala important scene chesanu, shoot chesanu. It was, I think, it's a very effective scene. And when I was seeing him act, I really, really admired his acting skills. So thank you, sir. It was lovely working with you. My and Editor Garu, thank you so much. And I'm sorry if I've forgotten anyone. I hope I've covered everyone. And who else is left? I think I've covered everyone, I guess. Kada. This will be the last one, right? So thank you so much, everyone. Mana show second Feb ki release avutundi. Please kachinaga chudandi. Everyone has done a fab job, and one thing I can promise you that it's going to be perfect. Thank you.
Perfect, as usual. Thank you.